G'day folks. Well, it's been a busy week for work, but I'm finally back out here in the workshop. For those who don't know, I'm actually working in a full-time 5-day-a-week job doing fitting and turning, welding, other engineering and fabrication jobs for a prominent solar heating and pool cover company. So working with a lot of stainless steel, plastics, other things. Great fun. Doing a bit of electrical discharge machining, manual lathe, mill, you name it, MIG and TIG welding. Back out here today, I'm finally going to get my big car back on the road. I've been driving the little 323 for the last couple of weeks and she's been going pretty well. Keep forgetting to order a replacement radiator hose, so I decided to go at it and make a T-piece for the existing hoses, or actually replace the existing hoses with generic ones. So I'm going to take this cast steel T-piece, and this is steel, not cast iron, and take this cast steel T-piece and remachine it into a T-piece for a radiator hose. Turn this surface here down, this one here, so that it's barbed. Make big hose barbs on it. Bore it out a little bit, like get rid of some of these threads. Obviously take that fitting off. And this one here probably just big enough for the heater bypass, but I might open that up to 3/4 of an inch instead of, or no, maybe 1 inch instead of ½ an inch or 3/4, whatever that is. So yeah, that's today's project. That's the part that I'm replacing. It's leaking in there. Right there. I'm going to replace this too, but that's okay for now. The reason I'm doing this is because I have a very big turret lathe to pick up from the scrapyard soon, and this is my only tow car. So I'm going to have a big lathe on a tandem trailer to tow back here. Not very far, but I just want to make sure the engine's not going to leak or do anything silly. Okay, well I don't know how they've made this T-piece, but there's a seam all the way along the outside which hasn't been welded. I know it's welded on the inside because this is a high pressure natural gas T-piece. Actually quite expensive. It's definitely forged or cast, but for some reason there's this line all the way through it, which isn't on the inside though. So yeah, this project might be a bit of a bust. I'll try welding it up and then turning it down again, but it may not work. Okay, well both ends are done. I've got some nice grooves machined into this, so the hose clamps can do their thing and the hose won't slip off under pressure. Same with this end. Bored it right through with the boring bar so it's nice and smooth, no obstructions. This end here for the heater, I'm just going to maybe drill it out and retap it a larger BSP thread and just put a hose barb in it. Hose clamp will hold that on, no problem. As far as the seam or crack or whatever it is that's in it, I've welded all the way along it and it's taken care of that. Not sure how it'll go in the long term, but for now it'll get the car on the road so I can tow a trailer home. I've got a big turret lathe to pick up, and I mean it's big. The chuck alone probably weighs half as much as what this whole lathe weighs, so it's going to be a good addition to my machine tool collection. Well, that's about as finished as it's going to get. I decided not to bore that out. Should do just fine as it is. The heater hose is pretty restrictive anyway, especially when it gets up the heater box. So that's it. Time to install it tomorrow. Thanks for watching.